Welcome back, viewers and listeners. From the previous session on pencil folding techniques and pencil sharpening techniques, I made mention that we will be diving into paper crafts. Now, the question is, what is paper crafts? Papercraft is simply the art of creating both two-dimensional and three-dimensional artworks or objects out of paper, as simple as that. And the next question says, what is folding? Folding is the art of forming a material into a compact or flattened form by bending, laying parts together. Now, the next question says, identify and explain some paper and textiles folding techniques. Now, the paper or textiles folding techniques we have creasing. Creasing is folding a material along a straight line and pressing down firmly to create a well-defined fold. That is creasing. Then we have pleating. Pleating is a technique of folding a material back and forth in a repeated pattern to create series of parallel folds. That is pleating. Then we have knotting. Knotting is twisting and looping a material to create a tight knot. These are some of the techniques. They also have cramping. Cramping is folding and scrunching a material to create a random textured surface. So these are the folding techniques that we have available. We have creasing, which is folding a material along a straight line and pressing it down firmly to create a well-defined fold. Then we have pleating, which is folding the material back and forth. So it's somehow like a zigzag fold, right? In a repeated pattern to create series of parallel folds, right? That is pleating. You have knotting, twisting and looping. So you twist and you loop the material to create tight knots. Then you have cramping, folding and scrunching the material to create a random textured surface. All right. Okay. Now the next question says, differentiate between origami and kirigami. Origami is the art of folding papers into two-dimensional or three-dimensional objects, whereas kirigami is the art of folding and cutting papers into two-dimensional or three-dimensional objects, or the art of cutting and folding papers into two-dimensional or three-dimensional objects. So these are the different. Whilst origami just fold papers into 2D or 3D objects, in kirigami, we fold and cut papers into 2D or 3D objects, or we cut and fold into 2D or 3D objects. These are the differences between origami and kirigami. Now, this is the end of paper crafts, and I would like to draw the curtains down because the next topic that we will dive into is textiles, and textiles is somehow broad. So I would like to do the videos on part by part, otherwise you may get confused or get exhausted for that matter. So thank you very much for listening.